Hey, I'm Mark from AI Automation Studio. In this tutorial, we're building an Instagram carousel automation workflow inside n8n. At its core, the workflow is about predictability. It doesn't rely on random bursts of creativity. It's a system you can run every single day. Here's why this matters. If you're growing your own Instagram page, you'll know exactly how much each post costs you to produce, and that makes scaling much more realistic. If you want to offer this as a service, you can give clients transparent reporting. Here's what we researched, here's what we published, here's what it cost. So whether you're building for yourself or for others, this workflow gives you clarity, consistency, and scalability. Let's start with the big picture. The workflow has 6 main sections. 1. Scheduler. Sets the posting cadence, like once a day, at 5 p.m. 2. Research Aggregator. Pulls ideas from multiple sources, so you're not stuck staring at a blank page. 3. Virality Evaluator. Scores each idea, so only strong ones move forward. 4. Parallel Generation. Creates images and copy at the same time to save hours. 5. Human Review in Telegram. A quick step where you approve or reject. 6. Publishing. Posts directly to Instagram through the Graph API. The magic here is the scoring gate in the middle. Without it, you'd waste tokens, credits, and time on mediocre ideas. With it, you enforce a quality standard automatically. We begin with a schedule trigger. Don't just post randomly. Look at your insights, find when your audience is online, and schedule around that. If your followers are most active in the evenings, set your trigger for the evening. Now, the research group blends 3 types of input. 1. AI analysis, to synthesize raw info into themes. 2. Trend signals. 3. Search or retrieval, to grab what's happening right now. This could be curated topic feeds, newsletters, or even a simple web crawler. Run this, and you'll get concise, recent, and actionable themes. If the results start drifting into generic advice, tighten the time window or require a citation for each fact. This one adjustment will instantly raise the quality of your content pipeline. Next, we filter ideas before they cost you money. The Evaluator step returns a small JSON package. It includes a post description, a virality score. We judge ideas on 4 criteria. Then we add an switch node. If the score is above your threshold, which is 75%, it moves forward. If not, the idea stops there. Once an idea clears the gate, we split it into 2 branches. We generate visuals from the image prompt, but don't just let it run wild. Add a style guide. For example, always 1080 by 1080 for Instagram. Framing, centered subject, clean background, palette, brand colors, or muted tones. Avoid text-heavy designs or random clip art. This keeps your grid consistent and professional. In Branch B, we generate the structure for the carousel text. Ask for a 5-slide outline, a 1-line caption lead, a clear call to action, and a compact hashtag set. By splitting generation, you save time, and by merging both outputs at the end, you ensure that the image and copy always travel as a pair. Now, this is where you keep the workflow human. We send the generated image and caption to a Telegram bot. From there, you have 2 buttons: approve or reject. Approving the post continues to publishing automatically. However, rejecting the post stops, and the system rejects your post to be uploaded. Now the workflow publishes directly to Instagram. Publishing through the Graph API has 2 steps. 1. Create a media container with the image and caption. 2. Publish the post using the container ID. And this workflow per carousel, which includes 5 images, cost you only 75 cents. Isn't this amazing? But here's the fun part. You can reuse the skeleton across niches. In fitness, prompts highlight form tips and progressions. In finance, they focus on definitions, charts, and simple disclaimers. In real estate, they lean on stats, comparisons, and checklists. Instead of building from scratch each time, just duplicate the workflow and swap in new prompts. The good news is there are several straightforward monetization strategies that forward-thinking creators are already using successfully. Take accounts like Evolving AI and Uncover AI, for example. They've built thriving businesses by posting sponsored content about emerging AI tools and earning through affiliate partnerships. It's an elegant model that works because they're providing genuine value to their audience while generating income. Here's how you can replicate their success. You can set up your Instagram to automatically share daily updates about new AI tools, then monetize through affiliate programs. A prime example is Higgsfield's Ambassador program, which offers some of the most attractive terms in the AI space. Up to 15% commission on every purchase made through your referral link. You continue earning commissions for up to 12 months after each user signs up. For instance, if someone subscribes to their $249 per month creator plan and stays for 9 months, you'd earn $336.15 from that single referral. Consider offering this automation as a service to marketing agencies. Many agencies want to maintain an active social media presence but lack the resources to hire dedicated social media managers. Your automated solution could be the perfect middle ground, consistent, quality content without the overhead. The beauty of this approach is that you're not just selling automation, you're providing a complete content strategy that saves time, reduces costs, and delivers consistent results. Everything you saw today, the full workflow, the prompts, and setup notes, is in the free community. If you want to go deeper with structured lessons, live sessions, and project reviews, that's what we cover inside the Skool classroom. So what are you waiting for? Get started and let's build together.